200 ringgit custom mechanical keyboard. Did I get your attention? Let's get into it. First is the keyboard, CIY68 for 78 ringgit. It is a hot swappable keyboard, which means you can change your switch without needing to solder. Next is the switch. Go for acrylic pink as a starting point. Why? Because rose red might be too light to press for some people, and jelly black might be too heavy. Jelly pink is somewhere in between, so why not? Lastly is your keycap. This one is really up to you, but here's the one that I purchased before, and it's definitely durable. Just make sure it is a PBT type keycap. Yes, I support PBT instead of ABS. And that's it. Bye bye.